John, a goal apiece, a point apiece, fair result?
Not at half time it wasn't, we should be 3-0 up. And that's the message to my players, got to be 3-0 up, we've got to take opportunities when they come our way. Because any team that you'll play will have a spell and they'll have a time period where they get on top for a little bit, yeah, against the wind. With the wind in the second half themselves, yeah, they used it well. Yeah, so on that basis, probably, second half, maybe I still think we should win the game. I just think our quality has to be better and we have to make sure that we take our chances when they come our way, because when it's 1-0 at half-time, like I said there, anyone's going to get an opportunity against any team.
We knew it was going to be tough coming up here. We know what it's like up at Flint, Connah's Quay, Flint. The weather plays a part. I know we all talk about it, but it does. It's going down the pitch, so first off it was tough for the lads. And we just came in at half-time, we said, look, the wind's in our favour now. We've got to try and get a goal back and then try and go and win the game. We didn't, but it feels positive to get something out of the game, for sure.
Ar ôl ildio 8 gol yn y 2 gêm diwetha, heb sôn am cael collen erbyn Cambrian, I ddod fan hyn a amddiffyn fel yna ac edrych mor ymosodol ail hanner, o'n i'n bles iawn gyda. A'n edrych mwy fel Met Caerdydd, ni'n gyfarwydd gyda. Ac dyna beth ni'n moyn, o'n i wedi ymddiheurio I bawb am y gweiddi a cheerleading fel petai, ond dyna beth oedd angen ar bawb heddi, a dyna beth o'n i'n moyn. A oedd yr ysbryd yna yn edrych fel Met Caerdydd unwaith to.
Haverfordwest, as you mentioned, up next Saturday. That's a long journey.
Yeah, it's a long journey, but again, we're backed by a very good owner in a club that will make sure we do things right, and we won't be travelling up on the day like some teams do. We won't be stopping off at a petrol station getting sandwiches. We'll be staying over. We'll be staying in a hotel. We'll be doing a pre-match meal. We'll be travelling like we should do. So the lads and the players have got no excuses to make sure that everything that they get given is how it should be, and that comes from our owner. But yeah, obviously going to be a difficult game. I know Penn's well, and he's probably not had the start of the season to what they might have liked results-wise. But again, I've seen them in some games and they've played really well. So it's going to be another tough game, like every game in this league is going to be. And the team who take the most chances will probably win most games.
It's a big game next weekend against your old club, the New Saints.
Yeah, we know it's going to be another tough game. They're the best team in the league. It's going to be tough, but again, we've got a bit of momentum now, picked up from today, and we'll go into it positive mindset and seeing if we can get something out of that game as well.